Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to change language on REDnote app easy and quick. So open your REDnote. So here as you see it's opening directly on homepage. Come here to your profile and click. So right now what you have to do, click on the settings icon. Right now come here to general settings. You will find here languages, and if you have language here or here, click English, and when you finish click save here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any question, write it down in comments, and see you next video.